Hi guys, what's up? I am Dinesh. Welcome you all to online lecture. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find the curl of a vector field when the vector is in cylindrical coordinates. And we will solve two problems for understanding the concept better. So, the general form of a vector in spherical polar coordinates can be written as a vector A equals to AR r cap plus A theta theta cap plus A phi cap. So we already know how to write the grad operator in spherical polar coordinates, which can be written as your grad operator can be written in spherical polar coordinates of the form del v upon del r cap plus 1 by r del theta theta cap plus 1 upon r sin theta del phi cap. So I am writing the formula for the curl of the vector A directly. So the curl of a vector A in spherical coordinates is of the form 1 upon r square sin theta r cap r theta cap r sin theta phi cap, then del upon del r del upon del theta del upon del phi, and ar r a theta and r sin theta a phi. You can see then here r theta cap and here r a theta, and here the similar is r sin theta phi cap and here r sin theta a phi. So you have to remember this formula to find the curl of a vector when the vector is in spherical polar coordinate system. As we deal in electrodynamics regularly the spherical coordinate system, you must know how to find the curl of the vector in spherical polar coordinates. So this is the required formula to remember how to find the curl of a vector in spherical coordinates. So let's solve an example to better understand the concept, and to remind the formula you have to practice 5 to 10 problem based on this formula, so that you can remind this formula for forever and you can apply the formula in electrodynamics later. Okay, so let's solve the example first to find the curl of the given vector. Okay, so in first example you can see a vector given r cos square phi r cap minus r cos theta sin theta theta cap plus 3r phi cap. Find the curl of A. The question given, find grad cross A. So in this case you have to first write the radial component and the component along theta cap direction and the component along phi cap direction separately. That is, there is nothing but your AR given is this r cos square theta, and A theta given minus r cos theta sin theta, and your A phi given 3r. So put the value of AR, A theta and A phi in the given formula to find the curl of a vector A. So this curl of a vector A, if I substitute the value of AR, A theta and A phi directly in this formula, so I can write here AR is equals to your r cos square theta, and A theta equals to your, simply you have to concentrate here when you are writing the component of A theta and A phi, because this term is present here, r and r sin theta correspondingly. Okay, so here r a theta, r in a theta is your minus r cos theta sin theta, and your a phi is your 3r. This is present, always present, r sin theta in a phi component. So r sin theta and your a phi, in place of a phi you can write 3r. So you have to evaluate this determinant, and along with finally divided by r square sin theta, you get the curl of the given vector. Okay, so let's solve. So if I write here 1 by r square sin theta, taking outside, so here you can get r cube del upon del theta of r sin theta 3r, which is equals to your 3r square sin theta, and you can write this as minus r square cos theta sin theta. So you have to solve this with full concentration, otherwise it may wrong. Okay, so r cap del upon del theta of 3r square sin theta minus del upon del phi. So this r cap you can write outside, del upon del phi minus r square cos theta sin theta. So this is the first term. So this problem I just erase it. Similarly, you can write other two terms as here minus r cube. So this is your first term. Then your second term is minus r theta cube. You can take outside, then del upon del r of your 3r square sin theta minus del upon del phi of r cos square theta, and your third term will be plus r sin theta phi cap del of del r minus r square cos theta sin theta, which will result to, I am writing directly here, which will del of del r minus r square cos theta sin theta will result to 2r cos theta sin theta minus del of del theta of r cos square theta, which will result to 2r cos theta plus 2r cos theta. This is minus sin theta, so you will get plus sin theta. So here del of del r minus r square cos theta sin theta will result to minus 2r cos theta sin theta. So this term minus 2r cos theta sin theta plus 2r cos theta sin theta will cancel, and here you can see del of del phi of minus r square cos theta sin theta equals to 0, and here del of del phi r square cos square theta equals to 0. So if I write the result here 1 upon r square sin theta, the remaining term is del upon del theta of 3r square sin theta will result to 3r square cos theta, 3r square cos theta r cap minus, from this you will get del of del r 3r square sin theta, you will get here 6r sin theta, and this r will result to 6r square sin theta. So this will result to 6r square sin theta theta cap, and this is minus 6r square. This minus will be here minus 6r square sin theta cap. So this is quite long process. so you have to keep patience. Then just solve it to find the curl of that given vector in spherical coordinates. So just divide r square sin theta term in these two, so you'll get 3r square cos theta upon r square sin theta r cap minus 6r square sin theta upon r square sin theta theta cap. So this will be the result. You get r square cancel, so the remaining is 3 cot theta r cap minus your r square sin theta cancelled. This will 6 theta cap. So you get the curl of the vector A is equals to your 3 cot theta r cap minus 6 theta cap, which is not equals to 0. That's why this vector is a rotational vector, and it can be represented magnetic field. Similarly, in the similar fashion, you can solve this example for your better understanding, and you can also solve many more examples to better understand and to remember the formula well. So I hope this video is helpful and interesting for you. Then I would like to request you to like the video, share the video with your friends, and never forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.